Hips on Fire 3000. We get fit and lit. My name is Brittany.
And my name's Kate. Get ready to feel the burn for some sexy hips. Wow, Brittany, there are a lot of people here today.
Yeah, 54 to be exact. I'm surprised. We have people from South Green, East Green, and West Green.
You know, I wonder how many people there are from each green.
Me too. I mean, some of these people have a long commute than others.
Let's take a head count to be sure. Wow, awesome. There are 18 people from East Green, South Green, and West Green.
Holy moly. You know, that'd be a really cool study.
What's that, Brittany?
How often each person exercises based on what green they live on.
Well, shucks. You know what I expect? The people who live on South Green exercise at Ping significantly more than those that live on East or West Green, since people from East and West Green live further away.
What an interesting thought. I know. Why don't we do a study of the three groups and see who works out more and connect a one-way ANOVA?
OMG, you read my mind!
All right, everybody. Let's move on to the ellipticals and get some cardio done.
The first control variable should be that every participant needs to be an underclassman because they're the ones that live in residence halls.
You know, Kate, that's right. Since most of our classes live off campus and we are studying which green they live on and how much time spent at Ping. Makes sense.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Then I think our second control variable should be credit hours. I mean, think about it. We want to conduct a study on students who are here full time. But if the workload's too much, then they probably don't have time to go to Ping.
Yeah. I thought of some uncontrolled variables. I skipped a lot. That's so true. A nice range would be 15 to 18 credit hours.
Yeah, that seems fair. Come on, Tina, pick up the speed.
Yeah, Tina, God.
You'll never get sexy hips you don't break some sweat.
Never. Brittany, I thought of some uncontrolled variables.
Okay, let's hear them.
Well, for instance, people who play a sport are probably here to have to exercise more than the average student does. So that might affect our case study.
That's true. You know what else?
What?
A subject's transportation method might also come into play. I mean, think about it. If someone drives a car or rides a bike to get to the gym, the distance may be irrelevant to them. It may not affect their motivation to go to the gym at all.
That's pretty true. Wow, you're so right. Oh, I've got another one. The time of day someone decides to work out. I mean, if they come at the time when the gym isn't crowded, they may stay longer than someone who works out at the gym when the gym is full.
You're so right. Look, we've got our controlled and uncontrolled variables out of the way.
Heck yeah.
Well, let's go ahead and collect a random sample.
Okay, everybody, now we're done with our cardio. It's time to head to the weight room. So fit, so lit.
Let's start with some bicep curls.
And while doing these exercises, we can talk about our variables.
Hey, it's like you read my mind. So what do you think our independent variable will be?
Our independent variable will be the location of residency on campus. Our three greens, east, west, and south.
So that would make our dependent variable the amount of hours spent at Ping, correct?
You're so right.
Well, hold up, Kate. If we're going to perform a one-way ANOVA test, we're going to have to go over our assumptions.
Oh yeah, you're right. Aren't there 3 assumptions?
Correct. The first is the normality of the dependent variable assumption, which states that the scores in each population are normally distributed around the population mean.
Gotcha. What's the second one? And switch.
Okay, that would be the homogeneity of variance. Of course, it states the samples must come from populations with equal variances. If one sample's variance is 4 times larger than the other, then that means the assumption has been violated.
Neato! What's the last one?
The last assumption is the independence of observations. And it's the most important one, actually. It says the observations between the groups must be unrelated. So one person can see another person's scores, which will influence the tests.
Oh, so many assumptions. Now we should be ready to conduct our one-way ANOVA.
Well, hold on. Let's talk about our hypothesis. We have to create a null and alternative hypothesis.
Oh, hold on, I got this. Our null hypothesis is there is no significant difference in hours spent at Ping depending on what green you live on.
Yeah, that does sound about right.
And our alternative hypothesis would be at least one group is significantly different from the others on how many hours they spend at Ping.
You're totally right. I think now we're ready to conduct our one-way ANOVA test.
That's funny. It says that we failed to reject the null hypothesis. That means there is no significant difference between hours spent at Ping and what green you live on.
So does that mean we don't have to conduct a post hoc test?